In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 AI agent coins to invest in right now. I invested $1,000 into Max, which is an AI agent coin at $2 million market cap, and it went up as high as $200 million market cap in just 1 month of buying that coin. And right here you can see other AI agent coins like AIXBT, which is currently at $420 million market cap. This coin started in less than $1 million market cap, so that's almost a 420x. Fatcoin is currently sitting at $945 million. Virtuals, which is the biggest right now, is sitting at $3.4 billion. And we have AI160, which is currently at $1.95 billion. This coin was over $2 billion in like a few days. And over here you can see other AI agent coins that are performing really well. You can see their market cap are currently in their hundreds of millions in market cap, which tells you that most of the coins performing really well right now are actually AI agent coins, and that is why you have to start buying into them right now if you are yet to do so. And I'm going to talk about 5 of them you can actually purchase in this video, and after that I'm going to show you upcoming AI agent coins that you can keep on your watch list. Now with that, you're going to find out when they're going to launch very early, so you can actually invest in them and make the highest profit in the next few days or few weeks. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, why haven't you done so? The informations I share on my channel for free, you can't find them on most channels on YouTube or any other platform. So that is why you should support me by liking this video, subscribing to this channel, and click on that notification bell. And let's get started with the 5 AI coins to invest in. The first coin on my list is STOIC. Now this is one AI agent coin that have performed really well. So this is a platform that helps you explore AI driven insights on top tokens on the Solana chain. So this AI agent is used for 2 purposes. The first purpose is the terminal. Now the terminal helps you to explore AI driven insights on top tokens on Solana chain. So with it, you can get better information on coins you want to invest in on that Solana blockchain. And also, it is an autonomous trading platform and an agent deployment platform. So with this platform, you can use it to deploy other AI agents. And that is why I'm actually bullish on this coin. So right here, it had this huge run from less than $100,000 market cap in December 26th down to $36 million market cap by January 3rd, which is over a 300x in just a few days. But right here you can see that there's been a huge retracement recently, and this zone I actually see it as a very good support region, coupled with the fact that when I pull out my Fibonacci retracement, and let's pull this from the bottom to the top, you can see this is actually sitting close to the 0.76 region, which is the best region to start buying meme coins. So I think this is like a very good entry point to start buying right here. And if it comes down to like $8 million, I think that is actually another good region to buy this coin and hold them for the long term. So the second coin on my list is LEXICON. Now this coin is currently sitting at $6.2 million market cap, and it's actually an open source framework that allows builders to integrate an AI-powered assistant into dApps that can perform functions on-chain. So with LEXICON, you can chat with an AI assistant to execute on-chain transactions, swap tokens using Jupiter, check wallet balances and portfolio, perform custom functions. Some of the reasons why I'm bullish on this coin is they recently won the AI hacking thing, which is actually an impressive one, and their roadmap, website and other things seem to be very clear compared to other AI agents. Now when you look at the charts, it is currently sitting at a support right here, which I expect that this token would most likely push up backward from this $6 million market cap. But just in case there is less retracement, we can have that around $3 million where it continues going upward. The next AI agent on my list is REALIS. Now this is one project I actually like. I think it's one of my favorite AI agents right now. Now for this project, the team actually have their token locked for the next few months, or I think like a year or thereabout, which is actually a good sign that they want to see this project succeed. And their platform seems to be quite clear. So I actually like this particular token a lot, but I'm not going to talk much about it because this video is getting quite long. And guys, before I proceed with the next AI agent coins to buy, if you're looking to buy some of the coins I talked about in this video, I'm going to drop their contract address in the description section. You can actually use Radium, Jupiter or Bongbot to buy this coin. Personally, Bongbot will be quite easier for you, especially if you're a first timer. So I'm going to leave all of the links in the description. You can actually create a Bongbot account with my link in the description to start buying this coin. Now the next coin on my list is GNRT. The full name is the Generator Project. Now this is actually one AI agent I like a lot, and it has the backing of the Ori blockchain. I guess you know that Max was actually a project that came from the Ori team via their AI agent on Solana, and this particular one right here also have the same background. Well, for this coin I actually entered somewhere around $2 million to $3 million market cap, and I've actually exited some of my position, but I look to add more position when it goes down. Although right here it seems to be forming a triple top, so I expect that the token might most likely retrace a little bit down here, or maybe up to like this area here around the 10 million region, which I expect to start adding to my position for this particular project. And the last AI agent on my list is Trust in Web3 AI. The short form of it is T3 AI. This is one I shared on my Telegram channel yesterday, and it actually ran really fast. When I called it somewhere around $6 million, it ran to like $30 million market cap in like a couple of one or 2 hours, and after that it came down a little bit, which I see that this is actually a very good point to get into this token, although there might be a slight retrace somewhere around there, which is also very good for you to enter. But I mean, this is actually a fair price to enter considering the upside that is coming, which you don't know if this is actually going to retrace before going upward again. So you can actually choose to DC your position or just get in here and ride it to the top. Now, in the beginning of this video, I promised that I was going to share upcoming AI agents to add to your watch list. Well, I'm not going to do that right here because this video is getting quite long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share it on my Twitter and my Telegram page. So what you should do is go to my Twitter page and look for it. The date when it's going to be posted is on the 9th of January 2025. You can also use that date on my Telegram channel and search for that particular date and get the post right away and position yourself ahead of these coins that will be launched. And guys, this is all of the reasons why you should follow me on all of my platforms: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. Make sure you're following me on all of these platforms because that is where I share most of the information about cryptocurrencies and how to make money. And one question most of you ask me is, how do I get to find some of these coins? Well, I've done countless videos on how to do your research, but just in case you're looking for a friendly guide that will take you from a beginner's level to an expert level, I made a cryptocurrency course that covers DeFi, spot trading, futures trading, meme coins, airdrop, and many other things you can think about. The website to access that course is uchecrypt.com. Visit the website, which I'm going to leave it in the description. The course is actually $200. Go ahead and purchase the course and go through it right away. And if you found value in this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video.